Hi Aquarius, this is your next 7 days reading. I'm going to look at the energies at this time from the 16th of May to the 23rd of May. What is coming to you in this time period is pretty interesting. So let's start this reading right away. And number one thing that is around you is the King of Swords energy. So basically, you will be in a very smart energy. But what is happening around you in this time period is the King of Swords energy will come, but at this point you are in the Queen of Swords energy. So basically you are trying to be strict with yourself. You are trying to make an intellectual decision in your life, trying to think straight. But very soon in this week, the King of Swords energy will take over. So you will consolidate your situation. So what has happened in your life is the Ten of Swords. So the Ten of Swords is a feeling of defeat. So there is this feeling of defeat or being backstabbed by someone. You have felt this in the recent past, but this situation is over. This was a fated situation in your life. So this was a fated thing with the wheel of fortune turning. This will change, but you are feeling conflict and defeat in this time period. And with the recognition and reward card coming in the reverse, this can mean that you are feeling unrewarded. You are feeling a sense of apathy. You are feeling that what you deserved, you did not get. So this could be in love life, this could be in your career, this could be money situation. So basically you are feeling that someone has given you a short end of the stick. Someone has not equally rewarded you, or you are feeling a sense of being wronged, or there is a problem in team spirit or collaboration. So this could be in your personal life, this could be in your work situation. But very soon this unnecessary thinking and anxiety is going to get dissipated in your situation. And Six of Wands energy will pervade you. So Six of Wands energy is coming to you. This is victory energy. So victory over what? Victory over feeling unrewarded, with recognition and reward coming in the reverse. Also the Nine of Swords, like worrying too much, anxiety of some sort. This can also mean the conflict and defeat kind of sensation will go away in this week. So what's coming to you is a choice of some sort, choice to show your restraint. So with the Lovers card and the energy of the Strength card, you are in a struggle, you are in some kind of conflict, there is no denying. But success will come to you if you show your strength, your inner strength, your compassion regarding people around you, and regarding your collaborators, regarding your lover, or people like who are very close to you. So you are going to have a victory over this situation. This can also mean that you would be making a decision to restrain your thoughts of negativity and move forward in a smarter way, bigger way, and thinking of long term. But a short term victory in this situation is coming. So overcoming of odds is happening in this time period with the Temperance card. So with the Temperance, you will reach a certain amount of inner calm, inner patience. So you are going to reach that, and for this it is difficult. But with the Strength card and the Lovers card, you are reaching this situation of getting rid of this dual mind conflict, and coming to a situation of peace. So this peace is happening with someone telling you something, some information coming to you with the Eight of Wands. So this apathy, boredom is going to dissipate, and with the Seven of Swords you will think of a plan, a strategy, how to deal with this situation and reach some peaceful level. So what will happen is with focus on partnerships and alliances, partnership and alliances will come to you. Love can begin at this time. So Ace of Cups, so Ace of Cups energy means that you will start concentrating on yourself and what gives you happiness. So once and for all you will stop thinking about other people's validity, other people's appreciation in this time period. However, your mind will, once you start loving yourself, once you start focusing on yourself, you will start having good relationships with others. So there was this discontentment and boredom around you. This is apathy card which is going to go away. Now you will concentrate on material and spiritual prosperity. This is Six of Pentacles. So charity begins at home. Start looking at yourself as that single person who requires charity from you. So focus on giving to yourself in this time period and also giving to others rather than expecting what they can give you. So material harvest, however, will come to you because you are self-sufficient. You are doing a good work. You are doing good work. You are doing well, and you don't require anyone to give you anything. Do not expect. Your material harvest will come to you. This is Nine of Pentacles card. This tells us that you have enough. So in your work situation, the conflict that you are going through is there. Competition that you are going through is there. There could be people who want to pull you down, but angels are saying with the Three of Wands you can expect the best results because of your hard work, because of what you have done so far. Your results and the rewards will be coming in with the King of Cups and the Hierophant approach in your work. You will learn tough lessons and you have to be emotionally intelligent in your work or professional life. That is what it is saying. You could be working with big institutions like MNCs. You could be working in educational institutions or some kind of institution which is very big and it has its rules, regulation, and moral higher ground or some kind of rule or structure. So angels are saying that keep your calm with the King of Cups energy. Bring in this emotionally intelligent person with your intellectual abilities, that is the King of Swords. Tap into your heart and try to get over a false expectation from someone or something. In terms of your love life, you are ridden with some kind of negative thought with the Eight of Swords and the Moon card. So Moon will be appearing in your by the end of 22nd or 23rd, Moon will come in Aquarius. So this will affect you a bit. It can bring in self-doubt energy in your personal life, but angels are saying if you sacrifice, if you decide to change your perspective in your life and think out of the box in terms of your close relationships or your family or your love life, Four of Wands will prevail. That is happy home, happy life. So it will prevail. The stability will come back to you. However, you could be ridden with some kind of fear energy or restlessness in this week, but let it not surface because your life is stable, you are doing well, you have a good partner, and life will reward you in terms of your personal happiness. So what's coming as your outcome? Your outcome is Eight of Cups and Six of Swords. It's movement card. It is about movement away from displeasures towards your best situation. And Six of Swords is movement away from saturation, turmoil, trauma to peace. So this is coming to you. So right to safe passage will be given to you. The path will be shown to you after this week. So let's look at what is the energy that you need to awaken, and the awakening is required in your heart. So the heart chakra has come for you. This is saying that I love. So I love this person, I love that person, I love myself, I love my work. So whatever you are connected with, you got to love this, love what you do, love what you love, and show it. So parallel to the heart, this chakra represents unconditional love. This represents compassion, harmony, relationships, and healing. It is believed to be the link between your mind, body, and soul. So not always everything is solved by the intellectual mind, which the Aquarius possesses, but some things can be achieved once you tap into your emotions, your heart. So open your heart so that it can interact with your mind and reach your soul. So balancing this area may take a while, but you should allow all the time that you need so that the healing energy can get through and flow, and it flows freely by loving yourself and others, as well as learning forgiveness. So if you need to forgive someone, please do that. You will become more attuned with your spirit. That is what the Aquarius needs to know. So this is your energy reading, Aquarius, for this week. If you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulties can contact me through the email ID in the description box. Keep watching this platform, Tarot Priestess 1313, for more information which will come to you very soon. Bye bye.